What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Go to Trades, and I'm back with another video. And listen, this is a road to $10,000 video. I guess progress upgrade. I said upgrade, update. Oh, man. What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Go to Trades, and this is a road to $10,000 video. And I guess this is just like a progress update. What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Go to Trades, and I'm back with another video. This is a road to 10,000 progress update. I just want to let you guys know where I am at with the current month. And usually with videos like this, I don't want to, I guess, not put my face on the screen, but I really can't do it right now because there's something wrong with my webcam. I gotta get a new webcam. It is what it is, but hopefully for the next video, I actually have a face cam and we actually go through the progress with my face and everything. I know you guys want to see my beautiful face. I know. But this time we're not going to do that. So how we're going to do this, I'm not too sure, because obviously this is the first time I'm doing something like this. So I guess I'm just kind of winging it at this point. But I kind of want to just go over my trades for the month, because remember, I have 3 different accounts. I have a trading account where I kind of do like aggressive trading, scalps, day trades. I have a swing account where I'm holding for like multiple days. And I also have an investment account. And the investment account, of course, is the long-term account. And that's where I track all my shares, stocks, and all that extra stuff. So before we get started on everything, I kind of want to show you guys my trades. So my trades are going to be coming from my trading account and my swing account. So I'm not going to differentiate which one is which, because they're both kind of together. Obviously they're on different brokers, but I have my brokers set obviously in this thing. The investment account, that's not a thing. But it's all on the Robinhood and TradeStation, so just really worry about that. Boom, right? So for the month, I started with together $3,000. So $1,000 was supposed to be in my trading account, and I believe $2,000 is starting out in my swing account. So how's that going so far? So far, I'm down almost $300, down $270. I have an average trade win of 60%. I have a profit factor of 9.9% and a day win rate of 66%. An average win-loss trade of 0.6. Now, how do you read these stats? What would I say about this? I think that these stats are mixed, right? The reason why is because my trade win and my day trade win, these are decent numbers. These are good numbers. Usually when someone's trade win is higher than 50, higher than 45, higher than 50, that's really good. 60, so me going 60% on my trades is pretty damn good. Obviously, we want to shoot more towards the 70 so we can be really, really profitable. And a day win of 66% is really good. I want to shoot around 70. That's how you know I'm like really killing it. But over 65 is amazing. But obviously, I want a 75, 80% profit. So basically, the trade win percent and my day win percent is really good. I like it. It's cool. But my profit factor, I don't like this. For my profit factor to be under 1, because 1 should be a threshold, it being under 1 is not good. So that means I have a total profit of $4,200 and a total loss of $4,900, thus coming with the net P&L of negative $270. So that means I wasn't profitable this month, so that's not good. And this can kind of go in with my average win loss, and it's just the average profit of winning versus your average profit on losing. Now, that means each trade I'm averaging $117 of wins and a $187 of loss. So that gives me a 0.63%. That's not good. Now, why is this not good? Does this mean that I just had a bad month? No. This just means that my risk management was way off, because I was winning more than I was losing. It's just that my loss every time I lost, they were bad losses, and it wasn't always like that. The first 2 weeks here, my losses were pretty standard. I was losing around $200. That's nothing. That's okay, right? Compared to the wins, like my wins was $500. Obviously, this was lower. This is almost $30. Cool. This one was a $400 win, $700 win, $300 win. Like, I was winning more than I was losing in terms of like the quantity of money. But obviously, I had a bad week. This bad week was really bad because my risk management was terrible. The risk management being this bad came from the inauguration. I was really bearish on the inauguration, and I over leveraged. So I over leveraged on all of these opportunities, and me leveraging, especially the SPY put, guys, this was really bad. I over leveraged, and me over leveraging, I held these because I started these positions last week on Friday, and I held it overnight. And during this news event, obviously the market gapped up and just kept going. So I kept holding. I sold some and I kept holding the rest throughout the week, and it just kept going up and up and up. Now I kind of went over this trade throughout like the weekly SPY reports and ES reports and all that good stuff. So I'm not gonna go too deep into it, but my Friday session, I ended up closing out all the puts that I had, and it just was bad. Everything was just bad. It was just a bad week. So obviously sometimes this happens, but guys, these 2 days of red, I was just holding a bad trade. It's because I was holding bad trades. So obviously for next month, I'm going to really work on mitigating risk and not hold on to losers and try to really pay attention to my stop loss, because this month could have been a very profitable month. This month I was up almost $2,000, and I went down from being up $2,000 to being down $1,000. So that means I lost almost $3,000. So I ended up closing the month almost flat. It wasn't flat, but it was almost very, very close. I'm doing decent on the accounts. As in the trades that I'm already in, they're doing pretty decent. And here, let me go ahead and pull up my portfolio. So I'll go over my investment accounts in a little bit, but at first I just want to go over my swing accounts and my trading account. So my swing account, at the moment, it's a little bit down. It's just a little bit down of unrealized gains and losses. I'm in NVIDIA 135 calls for September 19th. These are dated, so even if they go a little bit negative, even like down to negative 15%, I'm okay. I'm okay with that. So I do have I am banking on it to continue to grind higher. I like it a lot. As for my trading account, I am down about 200. So most of my losses are coming from the trading account. So I'm basically flat on my swing account, but I'm lost. I've been losing on a trading account. I'm only down 200, about 200 something on the trading account. So that's fine. So as far as the trades and the swings, it wasn't a bad month. It was okay. But obviously next month is going to be better. As long as we just fix this, because obviously our trade win and our day win, superb. That's not even superb. I'm not going to say that. They're good. They're good. So even if we keep these percentages and maybe just increase it just a little bit more, but really we just got to improve the profit factor and the average win / loss. If we can fix this and this, even if we keep this, like these two, we just got to fix these two. If we could do that, then we'll be looking at like a cool $2,000 profit. You know, like we just got to just limit this. And honestly, that's very doable. So next, I want to go over the investment account. So in total, in the investment account, I've invested about, let me see, $3,000. I have it marked here. So I've total deposited $3,070. So that's where I'm at the moment. These are all deposits either coming from I remember, so if you guys don't know, every week I give myself $360 of incoming funds to go into my investment account. So every week I get $360. Some days I add more. It just depends on how well I'm doing in the market. So the first 2 weeks I was doing pretty well. So I was just giving myself the money in my investment accounts. So that's why I have a little bit more. I'm really supposed to be at like 2,700. I don't know. But right now I'm at 3,080 and it's looking pretty good. I think I'm up about, I don't know. What am I up right now? I'm up about 0.6. Am I? I thought I was up a little bit more. But yeah, I'm up a little bit on the account. So far, I'm just going to go over what stocks I'm in. So right now I'm in Lockheed Martin. I have 2 Lockheed Martin shares. I have LRCX. I like LRCX. This wasn't in my top 10 analysis video, but I like it now. I like LRCX, especially for this year. I'm going to start adding more shares. I like Uber a lot. We have earnings coming this month. I love it. I low-key want to buy some more before earnings. If I can. I don't know if that's stretching my budget, but I'll see if I can. I do have some buying power coming in. So it's like $360. So I think I'm going to add some more. So I do like Uber a lot. This is about 36% of my portfolio. And, I end up buying an average price of $67. And again, I'm going to keep buying. I love it a lot. And one of my other accounts, I actually bought it at like $60 and it's up like 20%. I like it a lot. I think it's going to really blow. This one, UNH, this looks really good. I like it. So right now, it's sitting at 542. I bought it at 526. I wish I bought more, but I end up kind of focusing more on the Lockheed Martin just because it pulled back this week and I love it. It pulled back at like 450. So that's my buy zone. I told myself I was going to buy very aggressive on this buy zone here. I set it in my top 10 stocks for 2025. So I like these 2 stocks for sure for 2025. I just want to keep buying those. Like, I really want to leverage more into these names. Start averaging into LRCX. And honestly, there are some other names that I kind of want to go over. So let me go ahead and pull out my charts. But for the most part, this is what it's looking like so far. So we are outperforming the Dow Jones. Are we outperforming the S&P? Yep, we are outperforming the S&P as of right now. And we are outperforming the NASDAQ at the moment. Now, obviously, this is for the last 5 days, through year to date. Are we? No, we are not. Yeah, we are not so far year to date. NASDAQ is pretty much outperforming us. Well, all the indexes are pretty much outperforming us across the board, at least right now. It makes sense because obviously this is a new account. This is a new account, so we're just going to have to, let the trades actually develop, just let the trade develop because we just bought into them. This is the first month, so it's not that bad for the first month. We're up 0.2%, so that's not bad. Only $7, whatever. But again, we're going to get more aggressive in February. I'm looking to really get aggressive, so even deposit more than I intend to, because I really want to get into some of these names. So just for some clarity, some of the names that I've been talking about on my top 10 analysis, Ethereum. I do think Ethereum is coming into a major buy zone that I'm liking. You look like you're forming some type of inverse head and shoulders here. So I'm liking it here. Every time you got into a buy zone in this channel, it's always been a good buy. So it looks like we're about to retest it at 2600. Right now we just came down to 27 and we're finding buyers here. So I'm low-key looking at buying some this month. If not, again, I like Lockheed Martin a lot and UNH and Uber. These are the 3 stocks that I'm really leveraging in at the moment. Yep. So here is the buy zone. I hit our buy zone right here at 450. So this is where I told myself we have to get aggressive. We got to get aggressive on Lockheed Martin. We got to really just focus on Lockheed Martin. UNH, I kind of want to get back into UNH, but UNH is like starting to take off a little bit. It hit our first take profit zone here at 550 and it's finding some sellers. So I really want to wait till sellers bring you back to retest. It's like 500 or 498. So if we could get a retest around here, I do want to keep buying more in dollar cost averaging. But at the moment, I do think Lockheed Martin is the one that I have to kind of get really aggressive in. But yeah, these are the names that I really like. Uber, I've been aggressive in Uber. I have almost $1,000 position in Uber. I want to continue buying. I do have about $300 waiting for me. So when it releases an account, obviously I'm going to buy some more. But yes, I love Uber a lot. So yeah, those are the three names I'm really banking on. So you're probably wondering, if you've been keeping up to date with the channel, why I added LRCX, because my top 10 names did not have LRCX. I just wanted to start some positions. It's not that I'm going to go heavy in it yet, but I just want to start some positions, mainly because, let's see, erase this. This is not. Okay, so LRCX, you formed a cup and handle here in 2021 all the way to 2023. You pulled back and you broke out. So now what we're doing here is we came all the way down from our breakout and we're retesting the zone. So right here, I'm super bullish on LRCX. It looks like we're curling at the moment. So if we continue curling and we break out of this range, so if we break out of this $85 range, then I do think we have an easy shoot up to $99. And if we break out above 99 and actually test this, what is it? This 110. I do think we have an easy road to 143. So I think the risk reward on LRCX is outstanding. And if I had more money, I would obviously be investing heavily in LRCX. Honestly, if UNH and Lockheed Martin weren't so expensive, I would definitely be buying some more LRCX at this stage. But it's okay. That's fine. I'll buy it when I can, and I've been loading up on a few. I do want to get at least 10 shares of LRCX at least before it actually breaks out. That would be amazing. But if I don't, whatever. So that's where I'm at so far on the road to $10,000. So at the moment, let's go ahead and see where we're at. So right now we are at a unrealized total of $5,500, about $5,600. The total deposit that we've deposited with our own money is about $6,000. So we are approaching that $10,000 mark, obviously with more of our money instead of the market. So we do want to become a little bit more profitable in the market so we can leverage out our investments, because we're already over halfway to our goal, and it's really just been from our money, not really from the market. So we do have a long way to go, but this is just the first month. Obviously, we're going to keep grinding it and keep getting there, but it is what it is. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video, because that's it. If you guys want to see a different style, of course you guys want to see my face, of course. Next time I'll make sure I have that. But you know, if you guys enjoyed the style, let me know. If you guys want me to work on something, or if you guys have any, I guess, what's the word? Suggestions, just let me know down below. And I'm still learning the Webull app, right? So I'm still learning the Webull app, and at least on the computer, and how I'm gonna show you some of my positions and stuff. So yeah, I'm still working on it, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And it's been your boy Go to Trades, and I'm gone. Peace.